I need to tell you something about us. I take a decision. Oh, oh my gosh. You make a decision. English doesn't translate, it transforms. And this is about culture and languages. Hey, I would like to inform you that I am very tired today. Yeah, something already feels off, right?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you can speak really good English, like honestly good, and native speakers will still know almost immediately that you're not one of them. Not because of your accent, not because of your grammar, but because of small things that you don't even notice. It's not big mistakes. It's not something obvious. It's tiny habits that slowly give you away. If you know love, this is love. You already subscribed and liked my videos. And if you don't, if love smiles, you have to subscribe and like. And then we go. For example, a lot of learners say things like, I'm very tired. This is very big. That's very good. And hey, listen, this is correct. There is nothing wrong with it. But native speakers usually don't talk like that. They don't build the sentence step by step. They replace the word completely. Instead of very tired, they say exhausted. Instead of very big, they say huge. Instead of very good, they say amazing. It's shorter, faster, and it sounds naturally. And then there is a bigger problem. You're not actually speaking English, you're translating your language into English in your head. That's why people say things like this: I make a photo, or I have 20 years, and in your head it feels completely right. But to a native speaker, it feels slightly off because the structure comes from your language, not from English. Check the study notes, and I make a much pause. And this one is very common. You sound too formal. You say things like, I would like to inform you. I kindly ask you. And again, it's correct, but it sounds like a formal email, not like a real conversation. A native speaker would just say, hey, just letting you know. See? Completely different feeling. And same message. Okay, quick test. If my magic stick lights up now, you have to subscribe and like my video. Yeah, that definitely lit up. The real difference is this: native speakers don't build sentences step by step. They don't translate. They don't think about grammar. They just react. And if you still have to build your sentence in your head first, that's the difference. And the moment you stop translating and start reacting, that's when your English suddenly feels natural.